What's good, y'all? It's your girl Quay, and I'm back today with another video. I'm bringing you my apartment tour, period. I know that this video is short and cut and dry, but I need my views, baby. So let's hop into this, period. I'm sorry for the quality, but here we go. So this is our kitchen. We have all appliances, kitchen stove, refrigerator, dishwasher. I kind of this edit is just horrible right now. I hate it. I don't know why it's not synced together, but this is our living room and our little dining area. It's the lighting for me. I cannot. I just, it's okay. Okay, we stay by the highway. Bye, baby. We going to the room, period. Room 2, who this? Okay, gang, so when you walk in, you got a full-length mirror. Period. Floor, I'm tall, so we gotta be tall. Then you got my shoe rack. I love shoes. If you know I love shoes. Period. I got my ones up there. A whole bunch of shoes up there. Some Vans, Air Maxes, all that. Get into it. And I'm sorry for the lighting. It's about to change soon. We're gonna work on that because, baby, I want to do better videos. And I'm sorry for all the shakiness. This is my first time actually filming a video without the without a tripod, like a steady, there we go. Okay, but yeah, this little dough rack I got or whatever, I keep my purses, hats, and my robe up there. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go into the closet in a little bit or whatever. So we about to move on to the bed, babes. I did a bad job at filming the bed. I wanted to do better, but yeah, anywho, I got my bed from, not my bed. I got my cover set, cover set from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was like $70. It's so cute, and it's reversible, so it can either be the pattern or the black. So I love that about it, and it comes with the two accent pillows, which I know me, I can have 1,000 pillows. Yeah, I made the headboard. It was so fun. I think I want to make more. And so we have my side table with a little thing my mom got me. It says "Sprinkle your kindness everywhere you go." It's so cute, and a little holder for like all my little trinkets. That's what I call it. And like I said again, I stay by the highway, so it's always stuff. But this is my desk. Everything on here came from either Ross, Marshalls, Amazon, Family Dollar, Walmart, or school. So yeah, a lot of this stuff you've seen in my my Beis bag. So that's that. I love my desk. I literally spend all of my time here or the bed. Honestly and truly. So this. I think I like my desk so much that I wanted to show y'all for a long time. Look at my bag. Say hey, y'all. Oh yeah, I got my Canon printer under there with some more paper and a couple notebooks or whatever. Then over here we have a junk stand, as I like to call it. But literally it's just only my books, tissue, some extra toiletries that I use when I get out the shower. Candles, some flowers. They're fake. Love them though, because they stay alive the whole time. My calendar, my video schedule, and my class schedule. I saw a contour, period, because I love makeup, period. The Eiffel Tower because I want to go to Paris. And that list over there with the piece of paper, that's the graduation list for me. So yeah, this is my TV stand. It's very ragged. I got it from Walmart. As you can see, I zoomed in on it. Like, y'all should have seen me trying to put it together. And my TV, my dad got me for Christmas. My keys and everything. And so here goes the bathroom. The bathroom. I literally stay in here a lot too. I love my bathroom. It's so nice. My friend made this and I put it on my door because he has honey. So this is my bathroom. I got the shower curtain from Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. Floor mat. It comes with the thing that goes around the toilet. It was like $30. My towels and stuff, I got them from my aunt. The sink, of course. The essentials on the sink. That's my favorite perfume, by the way. It's the Carolina Herrera. A bunch of junk, a bunch of feminine hygiene and stuff like that. Stuff that I don't even need anymore. But yeah. And this is my storage. I love it. I have wigs on top, hygiene, personal care, cleaning, hair products, and towels, and all the other miscellaneous stuff. So I'm gonna go out here and show you guys my closet, which is atrocious. That's why you only got like a 5-second view, cause ooh baby. I mean, the stuff on this side is hung up, but over here, babes. I don't have any room for my clothes, but yeah, y'all, that's my room tour, and your girl is out because I want to get my views up. So it's good. Like, comment, subscribe, get back with your girl. Peace.